What's going on, everyone? My name is Johnny Bandon, and I will be your instructor for this CCNA video series. In this video series, we're going to go over everything layer 2. So to start off, we're going to talk about just Ethernet, switching fundamentals, VLANs, right? Broadcast domains, collision domains, and then we're going to jump into the CLI. Also, forgot to mention, we're also going to learn how switches forward frames, the actual technologies that make up frames. So again, diving into Ethernet. And then after we get through all those fundamentals, we're going to dive into the CLI and learn how to configure VLANs, trunks, just some basic housekeeping for layer 2 devices. So it's going to be a fun section. Can't wait to get past all these slides for this fundamental information we need so we can finally start jumping into the CLI and get into some real world Cisco switches. So thank you for viewing and stay tuned for this section on layer 2.